another day and another stage of my Welsh coastal path. So not long ago I have decided that I want to walk the whole 870 miles, but unfortunately I do not have time off in my life at the moment to do it in one go. So I've decided to do it in sections, and therefore, you know, it'll probably take me a couple of years, but that's okay, I'm okay with that. Just arrived in Barmouth in North Wales. I got here by train, still really early in the morning, and I got to the beach. It's beautiful, sadly a little bit messy. I mean, I'm talking about people do leave a lot of rubbish, and the lack of respect for the nature, it's upsetting. Now before I start my walk, have a sneaky coffee, keep the energy level up. So I'll be crossing the bridge now. There's a sign up there, please pay the toll. Honesty toll, adults £1, children 50 pence. Where do you pay though? Oh, in here. Oh. Alright, so here we go to the crossing. Stop, look, listen, beware of trains, and we have to cross the train track. Here we go. Oh, there we go, very cool. Let's get stacked. There we go. So we're done, and now we are walking towards Melbourne. Fiddly. Okay. And a nice lovely distance. Perfect egg. Cooked to perfection. So I'm after my break, and really the coastal path it's running parallel to the railway on the other side, over there. But it's more interesting to walk here by the sea. So for this bit, I am gonna walk along the seashore. It's so much more pleasant. But the little dog is coming my way. Spoke to a lady from a house, the big house with a wooden second story, and she's 90. She's letting people to park in her garden, people that are paddling or kayaking or whatever. There's 2 cars because they cannot park overnight, the car park over there, so she's letting them use the garden. And I think that's so cool. And she's 90, and she said to me that she's going to line dancing today. She also warned me about the next stage of this path. She said the road is quite narrow, to be careful not to get run over. She warned me about that, and that was very, very nice. And that's what I love about hiking, because you meet people and you talk to them and they'll tell you their stories and you tell them your story, and it's just creating memories, isn't it? Okay, so the next day is through this casing gate here, up this way. Wow, this is a really steep climb, and that's the view behind me, view of the sea. Man, it's a big hill. So I'm going off the track for just a tiny bit, smidge, through this old quarry, because I'm hoping I'm gonna see the blue lake from the top. I missed the turning for the blue lake earlier, and I'm not going down there again. But I've also heard that the path is blocked now, so I'm not really sure if you can get there or not. But I'm hoping to actually see it from the top now. Tiny little detour to see what I can see. Hey, that was worth it. Absolutely amazing, that blue lake. You can't get to it unless you want to climb the wall, which I don't. But it's beautiful. It's only small, and I'm pretty sure I've seen that on the internet many times. I've heard about that blue lake as well, and the picture shows it almost looks like it's much bigger than what it really is in reality. But nevertheless, it's absolutely gorgeous. Right, let's go back to the coastal path now. We are moving away from the sea. It's starting to get really nice and hot, so I'm considering putting on my shorts actually. I'm gonna take a little break here because I can get some water here. Got my supply of fresh water. Also got changed into shorts because it's really hot now. Right, I gotta keep going. Sometimes the view from far away is better than to be down there actually. I mean, it's incredible view, incredible weather as well. Super lucky this time. Some serious farming going on in there. A little bit smelly here. We are in the countryside. I'm a country girl anyway, so I don't mind really. Getting out of the village and climbing up that hill is a killer. Oh my god, it took me forever. Oh wow. Right, I'm nearly at my campsite. Just gotta go through this narrow path between the hedges, and then I should look for the sign for the campsite. I must say I am tired. Oh my god, I haven't been walking as much lately, so yeah, I could feel that up and down and heat as well. But hey ho, I did it. Yes, I'm going to have a great time at the campsite, hopefully. It's still early. I think I'm gonna have a shower because it's been really hot today and I've been sweating a lot. So the water is cold, but not extremely cold. But the rock, I can't walk without shoes on those rocks. My heels are hurting so much. But I'm gonna go and just quickly have a look what is in here as well, okay?
You want to leave this place where we grew up, this old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. You miss the ones you know. I'll be here, hanging on, waiting for your call. Seems like time as a wave passing by, leave a mark in our minds to turn to memories. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.